Let me show you how to automatically translate your film or video to a different language so you could submit them to film festivals or show them to a foreign audience. Hey everyone, I'm Dom from Wondershare UniConverter. In today's video, we're gonna make subtitles and we're also gonna see how you can upload them to YouTube and Vimeo, because Vimeo can be tricky sometimes. So I won't list reasons why you might need subtitles for your film or video. I'd be just saying the obvious. So let's just jump right into the practical side of the matter. I don't always like the revolution of AI and how it's taking over many aspects of our lives, but I welcome all neat tools that save me hours of monotonous work. AI tools for subtitle creation belong in this category. To create and translate subtitles, I will be using the UniConverter. The UniConverter is a multimedia toolbox with many useful features, such as the subtitle editor in it. You can download the UniConverter from videoconverter.wondershare.com, and after creating a free account, you can quickly start using the free features of the tool. If you open the software, you can quickly find the subtitle editor right here. First and foremost, import your file. Now we're gonna use the auto subtitles feature, for which you need a subscription, but since it's going to save you a bunch of time, I'd say it's worth it. You can choose from more than 130 languages in this window here before starting the process. Naturally, you gotta wait a bit while it processes your video, but then you'll have your subtitles. As you can see, I also have my subtitles time adjusted on my timeline here. I suggest that you go through the entire thing to fix time adjustments and transcription mistakes. Especially the latter one is really important, because our next step is translating the subtitles to the language that you need. The reason it's so important that you fine-tune the subtitles in your own language is because the translation will come out better. Now, translating is super easy. All you have to do is to click on the AI subtitles button here and choose your desired language. Of course, it's always advised to have someone check the translation, somebody that speaks that language, but in a last-minute situation, that's rarely ever possible. Now, styling is only important if you want to burn the subtitles on the video or film, but if you just need the SRT to upload alongside the film to Vimeo or YouTube, for example, styling is unnecessary. To export the subtitles, click here on Export and then choose the SRT option. Okay, so that was one way to do it. Alternatively, subtitle creation is always possible in video editor software like DaVinci Resolve that I use as well. In DaVinci, you also have the option to make subtitles automatically. If you click on the audio track, then go to timeline up here and then click on create subtitles from audio. You can then also style them and export separately, but the translation work is still left to be done. That's why the UniConverter's subtitle editor is so useful. Uploading a subtitle file on YouTube is really simple. From the Creators Studio, click on the Subtitles tab on the left side here. Next, click on the video you'd like to add subtitles to, then add a new language, and click here to edit subtitles. Click on Upload Subtitle File here, choose your existing subtitle file, and add it to the video. In Vimeo, it's not hard either, but if you've been trying to upload subtitles but they're not visible on your video, I have a solution for you, because I've had the same issue once. So if you open up a subtitle file, you see here the timecode starts at 00000, hours, minutes, seconds. But some editor software have 010000 set by default in the timeline. So if you make your subtitles in there and then export them, the timecode for the subtitles will start like this. Now, Vimeo will think that the subtitles only begin at 1 hour of the film or video, even if it's just 5-10 minutes altogether. So simply, they won't be visible. You'll be able to select them in the player, but they will not work. So make sure that you always have the timecodes set right. The subtitles you create with the UniConverter will always start with 00000, so things can't go wrong there. So to add subtitles on Vimeo, go to your account, go to the video, you have to look for the captions menu, and there just upload your existing file. That's it. Alright guys, that's all I have for this video. Leave a like and subscribe to the channel, I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching and have a great one, guys.